I just had a package delivered not too long ago. Let me tell you, when I say this is probably one of the worst deliveries I've gotten, not exaggerating, took forever. It literally took like almost 3 weeks to get here. I don't know why, but it did. So there's that, right? Let me show you what it was though, okay? Nano Cat. This is the package in question though. This is the DJI Mini SE, as you can obviously read right there. Like I said, this took about almost 3 weeks to get here actually. I mean, I have no idea why. You can literally get the Mini too. So I don't know why this one took so long to get here. And actually, if you order it on Amazon right now, it's the same thing. It takes about a month or two to ship. We're gonna crack this thing open, not tonight. It's a little too late for that. We will do it in the morning. But yeah, it is finally here though. DJI Mini SE. It's pretty exciting. So like I said, we'll open this in the morning and kind of go from there. All right, so it's the next morning now. Here is the front of the box, shows the drone and the controller. There's the back, showing just the drone all folded up, nice and neat. A little bit of information on the side there, tells you where and how to install the app, just the DJI Fly app. Here's me attacking the box with a sharp razor blade on the side. My first attack was not successful. Tried it on the front, tried to look cool. Did not work. So opening it up from the side, taking off the plastic wrap. Very nice, just overall. I just want to go ahead and get that out there. The unboxing experience for this is just, I mean, it's up there with like Apple. It's very nice, high quality. So now we got the package actually open, and the first thing you see wham right in your face is the drone and the controller itself. Super nice. Again, very well packaged. You know, propellers and stuff are taped together. Again, very high quality. I'm gonna say that like 1,000 times because I really want to emphasize that point. But yep, everything has stickers on it. The controller has its own little baggie, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that out of there. Slides right out. Very nice. First impressions on the controller were it's good. I mean, I was actually a little worried because I didn't hear some good things about the original Mavic Mini controller, which is basically what this is, and so I was a little worried. But nope, feels nice and sturdy, especially once you get your phone in there. So this little box has all of your cables and stuff on the inside. Very nice. Comes with all of your charging cables, etc. Cables to connect the controller to your phone, as well as these little guys, which are actually your additional thumbsticks. Very nice. Somebody who is, losing things as much as I am, that's very handy. Those are those cables connect to the controller and your phone. That's the charge cable for the controller. This is actually a screwdriver to replace your propellers. So in case you, like I actually did just a little while ago, fly your drone into a pole. There's your additional propellers. It tells you how and where to install them. Super nice, keeping that in my little package. Charge controller for the drone as well. I didn't break my drone, by the way. Yeah, I didn't break the propellers. Just want to throw that out there. I was responsible. At the bottom, here is your standard, just standard packaging, paperwork, quick start guide, the whole 9 yards. Kind of looks like a deck of cards, but yep. So putting that off to the side, probably never to be read again. There's the empty package, nothing at the bottom. I tried. Yep, that's it. Gonna put that off to the side. Getting back to the drone itself, again, feels really sturdy in hand. Gonna unpackage it and going to speed that up because nobody wants to watch me unpackage just some pieces of tape, basically. So yeah, first impressions, super nice quality. I expected nothing less. I have played with a Mini 2 actually and a Phantom 4, and yeah, I know DJI quality. It was nice. It was very, you know, it feels very kind of professional. You know, it shows the sensors on the bottom for your landing and everything. So, getting a closer look at the gimbal here, very cool. Again, it is a 3-axis stabilized gimbal, so and really heavy winds, just like I was in just a little while ago, which I will show in my full review. The thing, I mean, stays as sturdy as a freaking rock. I mean, it was super cool to see. Here's the controller. Again, was a little bit worried on how the quality of this would be. Not anymore. It's very nice. The kind of flip out motion of the arms is really cool as well. So it does come pre-installed with the lightning cable, so you can attach it to your iPhone, which I assume most people have. Opening these antennas, very simple. You know, I'll get to the antennas more in my like full review and stuff, but just a kind of initial impression. They're pretty good. Pretty good. I really love this. The fact that you screw on these thumbsticks, super cool. Very easy to take on and off. Very easy to replace. The whole 9 yards. There's the controller. There is your extra thumbsticks as well at the bottom. So in case, like I said, you're like me, you lose them, whatever, or somehow you break them. They're metal, so good luck. But if you lose them or break them, you got some extras built into the controller. Now I'm reaching into my secret compartment of my coffee table to show you the case that I got from Amazon. I'll leave the description down below. Alright, so here is a closer look at the drone and the controller in the case itself. Again, quality on the drone is awesome. Super nice. You can see there on the bottom, you have your sensors that detect how far away the ground is. And yeah, you know, you have your SD card, USB-C on the butt. And then, like I said, you have your gimbal. 3-axis gimbal, 2.7K camera. Very nice quality. You'll see that later here at the end of the video. And then this is, you know, closer look at the controller itself. You know, there is a protector for the thumbsticks. Again, quality of the controller, super nice. Very sturdy, actually. Didn't really think it was going to be for some reason, but it is. It's very nice to use. This is a Wi-Fi drone. I do want to throw that out there. This is a Wi-Fi drone. There's me showing off the thumbsticks, by the way. Wi-Fi drone. So this is connecting to the drone itself to, you know, help it fly and stuff. This is actually an RC controller, but Wi-Fi is how you know, kind of can see the video and stuff like that. So it is GPS drone as well, so it will return to home if you lose connection, which, in my experience around where I'm at, has happened quite a bit. But again, I'll get to that later in the full review. Here's, you know, kind of me messing with the controller, kind of showing how it uses, or how you use it. The thumbs or the analogs, thumbsticks are super nice. You can get very precise movements with them and everything. I actually did pick up another battery as well. This didn't come with the drone. I picked up another battery. Batteries for this guy are like $60. It is the same battery as the Mini 2. So this is kind of me tackling some more of the accessories that I got for the drone. These are actually called Yagi Udas. The reason I got these is because I did see a lot of things that said that basically the connection from the controller to the drone, both RC and Wi-Fi, can be a little dodgy. So, unlike, you know, that's what they look like on the controller. But yeah, unlike the Mini 2, it's, you know, not super strong. I did also get a 256 gigabyte micro SD card, but yeah, the Yagi Udas just kind of help, you know, the direction of the signal, both RC and Wi-Fi. Here's me setting up the controller and the drone itself. Again, setup process, super easy. Fly More app is just, I mean, if you ever have seen a DJI or you're interested in anything like this, you've seen a DJI video, the app is phenomenal. I mean, it's perfect. Not much I can, you know, wrong I can say about it, but yeah, it is a very good app, very easy setup process. So I tried to start the drone, And despite actually what the directions were saying, the lights actually weren't coming on. So I tried to make sure the battery was installed correctly, closed it back up. You're supposed to press and then press and hold, and the lights are supposed to come on and it's supposed to make a noise. Didn't do that. Turns out drone was dead. So I did take some videos. This is one of the first videos I took at 2.7K. This is, a little ways from me, kind of by our, close Best Buy and everything like that. But yeah, this is kind of, evening, night-ish kind of shot, which is actually not the strongest suit for the Mini SE, but I just wanted to fly it, kind of see what it would look like, and yeah, I think it's pretty damn good, actually. I mean, for a $300 drone, it's pretty good. The quality is fantastic. I will say that probably my biggest riff with this drone is just the signal connection. It's kind of dodgy at sometimes. You can see there's a lot of traffic. There's a lot of buildings over here, and I was right next to a telephone wire, so maybe that has something to do with it. It's that same area. Yeah, just the connection part is probably my biggest pet peeve and probably the biggest annoyance with this drone. I couldn't get super far with it, just kind of around where I live. That kind of takes away some confidence while flying. I mean, you still can get really good shots, kind of like this shot right here. Again, you can see some of the roads and stuff, and the quality is there, but it's just kind of the flight reliability or the connection reliability. But anyways, yeah, this is my unboxing and my first impression of the DJI Mini SE. Let me know what you think. Again, I do have a full review coming for this as well. But yeah, it's an awesome drone, but it does have some flaws. If you liked the video, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.